Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Anker Soundcore V30i wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or the left ear is not working or the right ear is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. If you decide you just want to buy a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to earbuds that I like a lot. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to delete the pairing history and everything off of them so that you can set them up like they're just a brand new set of earbuds coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is put the earbuds in the case, leaving the lid open as shown here. Make sure you got a decent charge on everything. Make sure those earbuds are seated properly in the case. And then you're just going to press and hold the reset button on the case for 10 seconds. Just keeping an eye on this indicator light down here while you do that. And once you see that indicator light flash red 3 times, it's telling you that your earbuds are now reset. You can go ahead and take them out and set them up like new.